Take your Subaru Forester on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your spacious interior. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 6 pieces and includes 3 headrest covers, 2 backrest cover sections to accommodate the 60-40 split seats, and 1 solid bench cover bottom. Begin by disconnecting the seat flap located on the rear of the backrest and under the seat bottom. More on that later. Now remove the headrests and stretch the backrest cover over the bucket seats and pull firmly down. Then insert the 3 hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side and tuck in the fabric. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps out from the crevice. Using the hook and loop adhesive sides, firmly fasten the straps to the back of the seat. Then, using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. You will notice the inner side of the cover has hook and loop straps. Tuck the straps in between the seat and console and fasten to the seat fabric. Then grab the elastic loop and slip it around the seatbelt buckle for added security. Next, insert the foam push bar into the crevice of the seat base, as well as the side push clip, to assure that the seat bottom has a secure, snug fit. Then tuck the fabric in. Then, from under the front of the seat, you will see the metal lever, which moves the seat back and forth. Stretch the straps over the lever and underneath the seat bottom to the back side. From under the back side, grab the straps and connect them together with the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Now, fold the original seat flap under the seat cover and, using the adhesive hook and loop strips, fasten the cover to the back side. Now reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Then place the center console cover on by slipping the elastic loops over the console and tucking the cover around the sides. Next, remove all the rear headrests. Then fold down each section of the backrest to have access to the trunk. Now unsnap the left and right panels so you have entry through the crevice of the seats. Next, line up the covers over each section of the rear backrest. Make sure to unzip the cover on the passenger side and then stretch the fabric around the backrest. Zip the cover back up. Then slip the cover around the driver's side backrest and pull firmly down. Now tuck the cutouts around and under the headrest base and seat controls. Next, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat and tuck in the fabric. Then fold down the backrest sections. From the bottom of the seats, pull the straps up from the crevice and fasten them along the back side using the hook and loop closure. Now, using the hook and loop strips, secure the cover to the back side on each section. Then place the backrest back in an upright position. Next, slip your hand under each side of the rear bench seat bottom. Push down on the seat and feel for a lever. And pull the lever to release the metal bracket from the plastic insert. The bench bottom can now be popped up and released from the base. Now place the rear bottom seat cover over the bench seat. You will notice 5 buckle straps. Insert each strap into the crevice of the seat. Make sure to line up the cutouts around the controls. Then tuck the fabric around the seat buckles and into the crevice. Make sure the seat bottom is tilted back so you have access to the underside. On the left and right sides, there is an adhesive strip. Fasten it onto the side of the seat. Now, from the center, stretch 2 elastic loops with metal hooks upward and insert them into the foam underside. Next, pull all the straps up from the bottom and begin to connect them to the buckles. First, insert the left and right straps through the elastic loop. Connect together with the buckle clip, then tighten and secure. Now, connect all the straps one by one to the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Now place the seat bottom back into its sitting position. Make sure to tuck the fabric into the crevice and around the seat controls, and then pop the seat bottom back into place. Finally, reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your Subaru Forester's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers. Available in both luxe faux leather and ultraflex neoprene.